What is up, everybody? My name is Brokar, and today I'm going to be unboxing something that I just received. I finally was able to, get money to order stuff online, so I finally got this today. I don't know which one it is, but I bought two toy guns. I filled two individual wrappers in here, so it could be both of them. So I'm gonna open a little bit of it off camera because I kind of need two hands. So I'll be back when I open a little bit of it. Okay, so I was wrong. It was this. It's this top thing right here. Hold on, let me just get it out. I think that's just the box. As you guys can see, this is J Hunshaw. That's the thing that I put on it, and let's see if it's the one that I thought it was. And it is. This is the BB gun that I bought, and it says, should say somewhere, yeah, for ages 16 and older. I'm finally 16, so I bought a BB gun. I'm going to be customizing this to be more Joker looking. So I kind of just wanted to make this like a little unboxing video for you guys. I'm probably going to be doing a few more because I have a bunch of necklaces and I have a toy gun that's supposed to be coming from like China or Japan or something. I don't remember where it's coming from. But I'm hopefully getting that tomorrow or possibly on Monday or Tuesday. So that will be a video for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace!